Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cloud Thinking. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification icon so you get notified anytime I release new videos. If you have already subscribed, thank you very much for supporting the channel. Today we're going to continue our working with text tutorial series. We're going to go with checking your spelling today. Alright, so this is as important as it gets when working with Office documents. I cannot tell you how many errors I've made in my life by not doing this function, and how many documents I have read and know for a fact that people do not do this function. And it is very easy, ladies and gentlemen. It takes a little bit of time. You get maximum return on your time. And so, checking your spelling, it's really, you're doing a quality function. You're going to make sure you have error-free, easy to read, text when someone is looking over your document. And again, Microsoft makes it very easy. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as you can see, I have a Word document open and I got some text on here. Some of it is garbled. All right, so for the sake of this, I completely just messed this document up, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to fix it. Alright, so up top on your Word document, you're going to go up here and you have a Review tab. You're going to select that, alright, and you're going to go over here and you see ABC, Spelling and Grammar. Alright, so go ahead and select that. You're going to have your box open up over here, and you're going to be able to go through and make the changes that you need to. Alright, so first things first, you have the option here. You just go and select if you want to actually change that, which we do. So we definitely didn't want to say maybe on, we want to say maybe one. So you would select this. If you did not want to change it and it was actually correct, you're going to select ignore once. Okay, so let's go ahead and change that, and then it moves on to the next error that I have. So we actually wanted to say typer, and so we don't really need it to change. It's going to try to change it because that's really kind of a, it's really a word that's not currently in the dictionary for Microsoft. So you could add it if it's one that you commonly use. You see this a lot with names. So if you have, you're needing to add names and it keeps telling you that it's wrong, it will actually leave, of course, your red lines over here telling you where all your misspellings are. And you can actually add it to dictionaries so that you don't get notified that those are misspellings. Now we're going to leave that. So what we're going to actually do is choose ignore. Okay, now it moves on to the next word, right? And so it definitely meant that. So we're going to select the option for that, and it fixes it. And so it moves on to the next one. And again, we misspelled it and we wanted to say keep. You're going to select that, and it moves on to the next one. And again, we wanted to say misspelling. So we're going to move on to this. So we're going to actually select this. Okay? And right here, of course, we left out our H. We're going to select that. And right here, we left out our H. Alright, so right here, it does grammar corrections as well, which the more proper way of speaking. And you actually can set that up within your file menu and your options. You can go and you can set spell check to actually extend how it looks at grammar and spelling. So I do suggest, if you're going to go and test this, go into your options, look and see what it says for spelling and grammar, and just choose the option that works best for you. I know that when I was in college, it really helped for me to go and set that to really focus on my grammar, and it did help. So of course this wants to change the therefore, and I don't really like what it's trying to change it to. It doesn't really make more sense to me, so I'm actually going to ignore that. And again, you're going to get a pop-up right here that says spelling and grammar check is complete. So you're going to hit OK, and there you go. And if this is redlined, if I add it to dictionary, then it would actually add it and take that line away. So again, let's right click on it, and we're going to go down to ignore, takes the line away. And now, if you have a document and you check it, if you don't have any errors, you're actually gonna, you go through the process, hit spell check, you're gonna automatically get the spelling and grammar check is complete with no errors found. You hit OK on that, and it goes away, and the box disappears, and you can go back to work. Now again, you see how easy this is, and it really makes the quality of your work and just that much better. You're not turning something over to someone that makes no sense, is misspelled. They have to go through, do the work, fix it. If you're collaborating on a document, it's easy enough to go through this and do it. So I highly recommend that you do this. All right, when you get a chance and you have a Word document open, go ahead and play with this feature. Type some misspelled words in there, see what you get back. Run your spelling check on it, see the options. Just, overall go get used to it and know how the function works. All right, some key notes. The change or ignore all. To save time, you can click change all button or ignore all if you know that the word is probably misspelled throughout the document. Spell check does have its limitations. It is not, meant for you to not have to go back through and read your document and proofread it. So you definitely still want to make sure you're doing that, just to ensure that there's even, more quality to your work. Alright, so that is going to be it for this video. I really hope you find it helpful. Again, this is one of the most important items that you can learn when working with Word documents, PowerPoint, Excel. Again, I cannot emphasize how important this is. So go ahead and hit that thumbs up button, and I hope everyone has a good night.